Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the Barnyard. This is Evan with DemBarnyardBuilds. I want to thank you for watching first of all. If you haven't, please subscribe. If you like this video, like it. Leave me some comments. Tell me, hey, this is what you could do better, or I think this would be a cool thing to add, or anything like that. I'm all about it. As you can see, I'm in the middle of editing this video. I do have to disclose, this video was shot over 6 months ago when I did the patina paint work on this vehicle. So it's a 72 C10 long bed. If you haven't watched the other two videos, not a lot of people have. It's from, 6-7 months ago. But I wasn't really shooting for YouTube. I was more shooting for myself to document the process at that time. So I just wanted to have those memories to look back on. Now I've redirected and I'm wanting to shoot for YouTube. I have a passion for classic cars and trucks, and I'm just trying to get that out there into the world. This video is going to be about airbrushing, base coat blending, and applying the clear coat. It's not going to be a tutorial, but it's going to just show you the order we done things, everything like that. This truck turned out amazing. I couldn't have asked for it to turn out any better. I think we ended up with one tiny run on the truck. It still looks amazing to this day. So just appreciate you for watching. If this is your first time, welcome to the Barnyard. If you're a repeat visitor, thank you. Let me know in the comments. Again, also I want to start doing a thing where in each episode, I'm going to try to get it set up to where I can have somebody, send in a photo and a story behind their project car, a person that daily drives a car of any kind, classic or modern, and a show car, and just give me the story behind those so that I can start putting those in videos and everything. I want to just spread the word about the any type of automotive. That's really what I want to do. My passion is classic cars, but I also love supercars and everything in between. So another thing is this video was shot. I shot it up and down, like vertical instead of horizontal. I don't know why. I wasn't thinking about it when I was shooting, or people watching it really, I guess, but it was. So I tried to fix that today in editing. My videos aren't going to be like this moving forward, so I apologize in advance if it seems a little more zoomed in, or it seems narrow or something, or you're like, man, you could have a wider view. Yes, I could, and I know. But again, thank you for watching, and yeah, let's check it out. Peace. All right, we still have some airbrushing to do, but I'm going to walk around and just kind of show you what the truck looks like as of right now. base coat blender and then some clear coat. We're gonna see how this thing looks. Alright, gonna stick some base coat blender because all different types of paint on there to make sure it sticks. Alright guys, so what you're seeing here is we have applied a base coat blender to this, or a base clear, some people know it. The reason that we did that is because there's so many different types of paint on this vehicle. There's the original factory paint, there's rattle can paint we've applied, there's single stage that we've mixed up, single stage rattle can mixed up by the paint shop, there's, you know, airbrush work. There's all these different types of paint, and we just want something to adhere, or to have at least have a layer over it, so we don't have any type of chemical reaction we don't want causing the, you know, clear coat to bubble up or anything like that. But man, look at this thing. Like, with that base clear on it, it gives it kind of a satin finish. It almost makes me wish that we didn't go with you know, a regular clear coat, a glossy clear coat. But what you're gonna see here is I'm gonna begin applying that clear coat, and you're gonna see how this truck absolutely transforms. It's amazing. I'm doing this video 6 months after I put it out, and the clear still looks just as good as the day I sprayed it. I really think that's because of this adhesion. We didn't have any chemical reactions, we didn't have any clear coat trying to fall off anywhere, and it was really durable and held up. What I would say is I wish I would have put, you know, one more coat of clear on it, but at the time we weren't sure, you know, if we were going to do anything else with it, so that's why we kind of didn't. But yeah, this truck turned out amazing, and like I said, by no means a pro. I'm just, at this point, I was just a student learning. I did go on to do collision repair after this, but now I work insurance, so I love doing it. I love it as a hobby, and I think everything that I learned, I'm going to be able to apply, you know, throughout my life when I'm doing what I do. I do trade a lot, and I love to be around these classic cars, and you save a lot of money learning to do it on your own. So, you know, if you can get to a weekend paint class, or you can get to a bodywork class, or anything like that, it's definitely worth it. And listen to the old heads, because they know something. They've been doing this for years. They've learned things the hard way, and then they offer to give you that knowledge, and you already have it from the get-go. So but just wait until you see how great this truck turns out. We're going to time lapse it so you don't have to watch how slow this goes. It's like a lot of footage. So anyways, thank you for watching, and stay tuned. Thank you, Coach.
That's the only place that's the only one running I've seen, and it ain't even bad.
Yeah.
That's different.
Like I said, I expected a lot more. I'm not gonna lie. I was like, and here it is going on the truck, ready to go home. We let it cure for a couple of days and loaded it up. Man, it turned out so good. And look at it here in the sunlight. I mean, it was beautiful. This truck was supposed to get an LS swap, got all that set up, but you're gonna learn more about what happened with it in my next episode. So thank you for watching. This is DemBarnyardBuilds. Peace.